We are pleased to show you the 2017 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.